recipes, and which is why I am here today. I have a very special guest on my channel today, and that is my Naani, my mom's mom, and I'm currently at her house here to learn a very special recipe. It is something that I really like, and every single time I'm in Dubai and I try to make it, it just doesn't turn out perfect. And I thought of taking a video and sharing it with you guys too. So let's go! And guys, this is my Naani, my darling Naani, and she makes the most amazing tomato ki sabji, which I just cannot replicate. I have tried it a zillion times and nahi banti waise. Just doesn't happen. I don't know why. There's some magic in her hands. I don't know what it is, but we shall find out today. Naani, banaye? Chalo. Hello. So like I discussed, we are making tomato ki sabji, and all we need is 6 finely chopped tomatoes, like really tiny. इसमें क्या है नानी? Onion and curry patta and green mirchi, and we have dhania, that's coriander. So let's get started. नानी आप क्या करेंगे पहले? So we've already got our kadai on and put a generous spoon of ghee. Wow, नानी इतने प्यार से. Yummy.
अभी इसमें क्या है?
So ghee में we put onion, we put curry patta, and we put green mirchi. और अभी इसको ब्राउन करेंगे ना?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा. ये लहसुन भूल गए थे ना, तो अभी डाल रहे हैं.
Okay guys, forgot the garlic, so you can add it right now or you can add it before, but don't forget it adds a lot of flavor. हमने कितनी 2 डाली? 3 4 लहसुन. 3 to 4 garlic cloves. So next we're putting the tomatoes.
Yes.
वाह, मैंने भी पता है ऐसे ही ट्राई किया, नहीं बनते ऐसे. आपका हाथ मैजिक. तो ना नानी क्या?
अभी देखो नमक
स्वाद अनुसार.
स्वाद हल्दी थोड़ी.
So that's salt, that's turmeric, dhania powder, coriander powder. You can also add some red chili powder if you like, but since we've already got the green chilies in, we prefer it as it is.
इतना पानी डाल के इसमें.
So that's how much water we'll put.
छोड़ दो उसको और फिर
ढक. Okay guys, so add some water and cover it so that the tomatoes start melting, gallowing. Thanks ma.
इसको अभी ऐसे
Mash it. Okay guys, so it's been about 20-25 minutes and Naani will open this dhakkan now. बन गई नानी?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
कैसे पता चलता है बन गई तो?
ये बिल्कुल सब मैश हो जाती है ना.
मैश हो जाती है. नहीं होती है तो कर सकते.
हाँ, नहीं होती तो उसको कर सकते.
So guys, you will know it's done when it's completely mashed. If it's not mashed, then take the mash and mash it. Perfect, Naani. Wow. So I'm going to show you guys the consistency. This is what we're looking for. All the water should kind of dry up. अभी इसको और पकाएंगे हम लोग?
नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा रख दो.
थोड़ा सा
मसाला हरा डाल के.
Okay. So this is completely done.
पानी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay. So the water is drying up and we will just add a little bit of coriander. Wow, Naani, क्या मस्त लग रहा है. Made with love. Oh yum, guys, you can enjoy this with a hot ghee wala roti. Trust me, it is amazing. So this is what it is, and now Naani is going to cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. I'm going to show you guys the final product. Guys, so this is my Naani's famous tomato ki sabji, or you can call it tomato ki chutney, but it is so delicious. I mean, this is what the final product looks like, and it has got too much of Naani's love. I hope I can replicate this, and if you guys try it, do let us know how it turns out. My Naani would love to know. She's really excited about being here on the channel today, and yes, my Naani also recommended इसको अगर सीटी भी मार सकते ना कुकर में.
अगर नहीं गलेगा तो इसको कुकर में डाल के और 3-4 सीटी.
Guys, just in case you're running out of time, or it is the tomato isn't melting faster, then you can also put it in a pressure cooker and give it 4 to 5 CDs, and it will be done really quick. And then of course you continue cooking it, make sure the water is gone out, and mash it well. And don't forget to garnish it. I mean, look how pretty this is. So this is what I am going to eat for dinner today. Thank you so much, Naani. So my Naani is really sweet. She makes some amazing food, and I hope that I can get her on this video once again really soon. Hai na, Naani?
Welcome.
Thank you. Love you. Do let us know in the comments below if you like the video and if you try this recipe out. We would love to know. Thank you guys for watching.